Phoenix Flare 980 Wall Wedge unboxing.
Hey guys, this is your boy Island Boy Hobbies, back with another one. I've been waiting for this one to come in the mail. I'm a little late to the party, but we're gonna still make a video either way. Just so you can see, it's our Phoenix Flare 980 wall wedge. See the back of the box. It's a defense type. And you see the three parts. I don't really speak Japanese, but I'm sure it's Phoenix Flare, and I forgot that. I really don't know the name of the assist blade. But as you can see, the new part is wall wedge. You can see what they're looking like. So as you can clearly see, we got the Phoenix Flare blade. It's a pretty nice blade. The 980, give it a nice little height. As you can see the wall wedge with the protruding inside. You know what I mean? Now we're gonna go for a quick little test spin and then a battle. After that, my overall thoughts on the blade. It is a good cop for sure. It has decent parts, new parts to be exact. You could experiment to see what works for you, see if the wall wedge can work in practical battle application, but it is a good cop because I've seen a couple combos of this mixed with some of the new blades that's supposed to be coming out later on this month, or should be out already. So yeah, it's a certified cop. I want to take a shout out to Mall of Toys for helping me get this. And like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next battle.